Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where we take you inside the most luxurious and legendary machines on wheels. Today, we're diving into a true masterpiece of modern automotive craftsmanship with the 2026 Rolls-Royce Wraith. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, a statement, and above all, a symbol of elegance refined to perfection. From the moment you set eyes on the 2026 Wraith, it's impossible not to be mesmerized. Rolls-Royce has elevated its iconic fastback coupe with sharper lines, a bolder front grille, and even more presence than before. The signature spirit of ecstasy leads the charge, rising majestically above the reshaped Pantheon grille, which is now slightly wider and lit with a soft glow. Sleek laser-cut headlights and reimagined aero details give the Wraith a futuristic look while staying true to its timeless roots. But let's talk about power. Under the hood, the 2026 Wraith no longer houses the classic V12. Rolls-Royce has taken the bold step of fully electrifying this grand tour. Yes, the new Wraith is now powered by a dual-motor all-electric setup, delivering around 750 horsepower and over 800 pounds-feet of torque. This isn't just about numbers, this is smooth, instantaneous acceleration, with the near-silent cabin that glides from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. It's not just fast, it's effortlessly fast, the kind of performance that feels like magic. Inside, the Wraith remains an oasis of calm and craftsmanship. Open the coach doors and step into a sanctuary where traditional materials meet cutting-edge technology. Think starlight headliners, whisper quiet cabins, and hand-stitched leather that feels like luxury reborn. The digital displays are now fully customizable, blending seamlessly into the rich wood veneers and polished metal trim. Every detail has been considered, from the fragrance system that tailors the air inside the cabin to your mood, to the ambient lighting that mimics the phases of the moon. Rolls-Royce has redefined what it means to drive in comfort. The driving experience, smooth doesn't even begin to describe it. The Wraith's self-leveling suspension reads the road ahead and adjusts in real time. Whether you're cruising down a city boulevard or gliding along the countryside, the Wraith isolates you from the chaos of the world outside. And thanks to its all-electric platform, the weight distribution is near perfect, giving it a poised, planted feel you wouldn't expect from a car this size. What Rolls-Royce has achieved with the 2026 Wraith is nothing short of breathtaking. It's a bold step into the electric future while holding tight to the brand's legendary commitment to luxury. The Wraith isn't about compromise, it's about evolution. And in a world chasing speed and tech, this car reminds us that true greatness lies in grace, silence, and style. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of luxury motoring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a ride with us. Until next time, keep rolling in style.